This is a bit of right-handed technique for the ukulele, but you know what? This is also right-handed technique for the classical guitar, for folk guitar, steel string guitar. So when you get comfortable with this, you can transfer from ukulele to guitar to any other instruments. It's good to start with the ukulele because it's small. Okay, so this is what you need to know. For the right hand, your fingers have names or letters at least. This is P. This is I for index, you can remember that one, indice. M for middle, medio, and A, which is your ring finger. A, which is actually for annular, so that's pulgar, indice, medio, and annular. Portuguese, I suppose. Anyway, here's how it works. Notice that the ukulele is, first of all, I'm not holding it up. It's resting on my leg. So here I am sitting comfortably. It's resting on my leg. This part of my arm, right about here, that wrist, just up from my wrist actually, is resting here on the upper saddle. Is that the saddle? The upper, this part of it. So it's resting here. My hand just kind of falls over, badonk, like that. You can see it's kind of, it's just hanging there. It's really loose. It's really relaxed. So for this exercise, what I want you to do is to play I, am, I, am. And please note, I'm not pulling up the strings. I'm not doing that. I'm just going back to the next string, and I'm resting on the next string. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am. Once again. I am. You can try that too. When you get comfortable with that one, try the next string down. And finally, I am. You guys have a low string. I'm using a garbagey ukulele, so it's got a high string here. I am. Okay, so that's just an exercise to get you doing that. The really key thing here, guys, is when you play this finger, you don't come back and play it again. You switch it up with another finger. And when you get comfortable with that, you can do all three. It's easy to do picking patterns like this. Tremolo is like this. This finger, by the way, isn't used at all because it's so short. You could use it, but it is rarely used. Okay? So the big ones are P, I, M, and A. And for this exercise, just I and M.